In our evolving workspaces, whether a dedicated home office or a flexible corner of the living room, adaptability has become paramount. This mobile standing desk isn't merely a piece of furniture. It's a considered tool designed to bring genuine flexibility to your daily routine, serving as a versatile workstation for anyone seeking to move seamlessly between sitting and standing postures throughout their day. It's an ideal solution for those whose work demands vary, or simply anyone looking to integrate more movement into their sedentary hours. At the heart of its utility is a sophisticated damping gas rod system, providing a truly smooth and stable lifting experience. This isn't just about moving the desk up and down, it's about a controlled, quiet ascent and descent of 300 millimeters, allowing you to find your optimal height without jarring movements or sudden shifts. The comfortable damping ensures it stops immediately, precisely where you need it, which is crucial for maintaining focus and preventing accidental spills or disruptions to your workflow. Beyond this fluid motion, the desk offers a thoughtful design choice for long-term stability. After finding your preferred ergonomic height, you can secure it by loosening and then tightening a set of screws. This ensures a rock-solid, wobble-free surface, empowering you to type, write, or work with complete confidence. Mobility is another standout feature, transforming this desk into a true workhorse for dynamic environments. Equipped with a combination of 2 silent, lockable pulleys and 2 standard silent pulleys, it glides across surfaces with remarkable ease. The rubber wheel bodies are a particularly welcome detail, ensuring your wood floors remain unblemished as you reposition your workstation from one room to another. When you find your perfect spot, simply engage the locks for steadfast stability. Furthermore, the overall construction speaks to a solid build, featuring an electrostatic coating that's both smooth to the touch and anti-oxidative, promising durability and a refined aesthetic. The matte texture not only looks premium, but also offers a non-slip surface that's remarkably easy to clean, adding to its practical appeal. What genuinely makes this desk impactful is the immediate enhancement to your productivity and peace of mind. Imagine effortlessly shifting from an engaged standing meeting to a focused seated work session, all within seconds, without wrestling with complex mechanisms or heavy lifting. The thoughtful design, coupled with the fact that it's ready to use right out of the box, saving you valuable time and effort on assembly, means less friction and more time spent on what truly matters. It's a versatile daily driver, promoting better posture and reduced fatigue, creating a more dynamic and ultimately healthier work environment. For those considering an investment in their personal workspace, this mobile standing desk represents a smart choice. Its thoughtful engineering and robust construction offer a compelling bang for the buck, making it a valuable addition to any modern home or office setup. Prices for quality tech, as we know, can fluctuate, reflecting current availability and promotions. It's always prudent to verify the current deal. I put the link below so you can check the current price.